Let's get started by setting up some additional features for your eLocate store locator. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's get started. Go to Settings. The Setup tab opens by default, where you can turn additional store locator features on or off and customize how they appear. Let's start with the radius filter. I'll use the preview button to show you an example of how this can appear in your store locator. The radius filter lets customers narrow their search by distance. When enabled, it adds a select radius dropdown to your store locator's search bar with preset options of 5 to 250 miles. If you'd like to make the radius filter available to your customers, turn the radius filter toggle on. Once enabled, your customers can use the select radius dropdown to narrow their search by distance. You can turn the radius filter off anytime if you no longer want to offer this option. Next, let's look at custom text on Filter Pop-up. I'll use the preview button again to show you an example of how this can appear in your store locator. This lets you display a custom message at the top of the filter pop-up, which you can use to highlight important information or guide customers to additional content. If you'd like to add custom text to your filter pop-up, turn the Custom Text on Filter Pop-up toggle on. Then click here to customize. Start by entering your main heading. For example, I'm using Select one or more filters to find the right service center for your needs. The Call to Action button text and Call to Action button link are optional. If you'd like to give customers another way to go to a different page, you can add the text for the link and the web page you want it to open. In my example, I'll leave these fields blank since I don't need an additional link. Once you're finished, click Save in the customization pop-up. Finally, let's look at extra tabs. I'll use the preview button once again to show you an example of how these can appear in your store locator. Extra tabs let you add up to 3 sections of additional information, such as promotions, FAQs, special services, or other helpful content for your customers. If you'd like to add extra tabs, turn the Extra Tabs toggle on. Then click here to customize. All of these fields are optional, so you can add only the information you'd like to display, starting with the heading title, button text, button link, and description. For the Font Awesome icon, if you'd like to add an icon, click the Font Awesome link. This will open the Font Awesome website. From here, search for an icon that matches the information in your tab. Then select a classic icon. For example, I'm using a classic tools icon for services. Once you've found an icon you like, click it, then copy the HTML code. Go back to eLocate and paste the code into the Font Awesome icon field. If you'd like to add another tab, open the next tab and repeat the steps we just covered. Keep in mind, you don't have to use all 3 tabs. You can leave any unused tabs blank. Once you've finished setting up your extra tabs, click Save in the customization pop-up. Finally, if you're finished setting up your store locator features, click Save in the top right corner of the page to apply your changes. That's it. Your setup features are now ready to use in your store locator. If you get stuck along the way, don't worry. Just click Get Help to browse our support resources anytime. And if you'd rather have us walk you through it, just reach out at support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you get everything up and running.